It begins in the narrow alleys of ancient Goshen, where the cries of Hebrew children echo over mud brick homes. Miriam, no more than a girl, peers cautiously from behind a battered door. Her mother leans down with terror in her eyes, placing her infant brother, Moses, in her arms. Pharaoh's decree has thrown their world into chaos. Every Hebrew boy must be cast into the Nile, but Miriam's resolve steadies. Without hesitation, she devises a plan. Through the reeds by the riverbank, Miriam guides her mother's basket carrying Moses. The water glistens in the Egyptian sun, and her heart pounds with fear and hope. When Pharaoh's daughter discovers the crying baby, Miriam steps forward, braiding courage into her words. She volunteers her mother as a nursemaid, not knowing her swift thinking will change history. Silent, hidden, but vital, that is Miriam, even as a child. Years pass. Egypt's oppression only worsens, fueling Moses' anger and sending him into exile. Aaron, the orator, and Miriam, the unspoken leader, hold their people together. The night Moses returns from Midian carrying the charge of liberation, most eyes fix upon him, but in the shadows, Miriam prepares the women, whispering strength into their hearts. Long before Pharaoh yields, Miriam is already organizing, teaching them freedom songs, girding their faith for what is to come. The night of Exodus is chaos incarnate. Families rush, bread remains unleavened, but amid the tumult, Miriam's presence is calm. She soothes infants and steers frightened women, assuring them of dawn's promise.